The dew point 74, the relative humidity. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Travis County, southwestern Burnett County, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Marble Falls, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marble Falls, Bertram, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Meadow Lakes, Smithwick, Oatmeal, and Cottonwood Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A lower 70s. Chance. The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Travis and southwestern Burnett counties is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas.